What's up, guys? My name's Landrum, aka AdventureOn. Thought I'd give you a short little intro. I've been traveling internationally for about 5 or 6 years. I've been all over the U.S. and yeah, so with COVID going on right now, we can't really leave the country. So me and my friends are headed to the West Coast. I'm gonna surprise my friend in San Diego. I'm gonna drive up to LA. And then I don't know what else we're gonna do. Figure it out. But it's part of the adventure. But first, I need my friends. I'm here with my best friend. Here with my boy. About to go on this trip. Going to Chicago for like 5 hours. I'm exhausted. Look at these bags. Been up. And then San Diego, California. Yeah. So, but one thing's first. Masks. Remember, traveling during COVID, wear your mask. Don't be a prick. Alright, we out.
One way.
Alright, Hartsfield-Jackson Airport during COVID. Let's see how busy it is. About to be in there. About to be in here. Let's see.
Keep in mind it's 4:30.
Yeah, it's 4:30 in the morning. Here it is pretty packed. Spirit about the only one that got people there. I think way down at Southwest got a lot of people. Yeah, Southwest is like a lot of folks. Spirit can slam it. That's what happens when you get those $50 flights. Those $50 flights be getting folks. COVID or not. $50, I don't give a fuck, I'll risk that shit. Like a rat in a cage. Trying to get that cheese at the end though. Trying to get that cheese.
That's right.
Getting there. Look at this. This is crazy. I've never seen nothing like this. Crazy. What is it? Plexiglass? Oh yeah. Can't even spring for real glass. What's that gonna do? What if you taller than this?
Effective immediately
Just
by
saying,
the
what if you
order of
taller
the
than that?
Department of Homeland Security,
Fuck if you taller than that.
Transportation Security Administration,
They go like 6 feet tall.
liquids, gels, and/or
Jerk, what do you think? What do you think of this shit?
What?
Crazy, huh?
Yes. Ready to get there.
Same. Nick, what do you think?
Man, I'm just happy to be here, bro.
Yeah, what do you think of this lines and stuff though? This glass and stuff, like.
Is it glass?
Crazy. No, it's plexiglass.
Yeah.
I ain't never seen nothing like this. Like literally,
Definitely wasn't like
Feel-
this a few months ago, that's for sure.
like we're in a fucking mousetrap, bro. For real. So, whatever. Here's what it is. Welcome to 2020. Alright, security was a breeze. What are we, like 5 minutes? Something like that?
That's the quickest.
Alright, he was like 5 minutes, but of course my drone got flagged. Whatever. So, but no, it's easy. So, quickest I ever been through security. That's sure as hell the quickest I ever been like here through security. So, hey, COVID.
Please hold
In
on.
case you
This
didn't
train
know
is
this about Hartsfield-Jackson, no matter where you go in this airport,
The next stop is for A.
you gotta be on the subway. You go from terminal to terminal, you gotta be on the subway. It sucks. There's to flip you around, but
Stay 6 feet away from your fellow travelers. Thank you for flying through ATL and stay safe.
that's how many terminals we have here. 6. And a baggage claim. Something like that. It's crazy. So regardless of where you're headed, are you getting on this subway?
This train is stopping.
Just in case you were wondering, all the shops up here. All these shops lined all the way down to gates. Closed until further notice. probably the cell phone traveling stuff is open, but bags, currency exchange, I guess they should be open. I don't know. All this stuff down through here is just shut down because of this stuff. Damn. Crazy. What up? We out here in Chicago. Yeah, man, just walking around. Gonna see the sights. Got about another, I don't know, 4 hours before we gotta leave to go back to the airport. So, quick little layover. Ain't shit, but hey, you know, it's a lovely day here in Chicago. I think it's like what, 75, 78 degrees right now. So, you know, there's always a wind. So. Yeah, we out here. We gotta go see some stuff. Well, this is COVID for you guys. Can't walk up to it like you used to. Keep your distance. You gotta wear your mask inside the park. Hand sanitizer stations set up. Yeah, this is traveling in 2020 right here, folks. This is it. Still pretty cool though. Looks like the water fountains aren't working. Maybe it's because it's early. Maybe because COVID shut it down. I don't know. But wish we could see it. So one of the famous water fountains here in Chicago closed. Sucks, man.
so good.
I know. I'm not even a meat lover. It's kind of pizza person, but whenever I smell this, I'm so hungry.
Ooh, it smells delicious.
It really does. I was like,
Wow.
oh my god, it smells amazing.
I swear, if any one of you lies, ask for ranch dressing, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Why would I do that?
Ranch is America's new ketchup. Did you hear?
Not for this. They're so cheesy.
Oh, yeah. So delicious.
I love how like me
My shit's super
and
organized.
Nick, we're like super organized.
Suck my dick.
And then there's Jerica. Like, what is going on here? Like,
I'm looking for this one long sleeve shirt.
it looks like it's a trailer park and you just got hit by a tornado. Like, it's bad.
Your face does.
Bro, it's bad.
Take that.
We're going to California, so you decide to put a Tupac shirt on. Name me 3 Tupac songs. Exactly. But that's funny though. All right, so that concludes our 5 hours in Chicago. What'd y'all think?
It was wonderful.
It's amazing, dude.
Yeah, gotta come back, man. I always got love for Chi-Town. Yeah, I gotta come back during football season or baseball season, whenever they have that after this fucking pandemic. But yeah, deep dish pizza, a couple of old style beers. Ready to go. Off to Cali. I'm going back to Cali. Cali. I don't think so.